Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect and analyze the latest and greatest in kitchen appliances. Today, we're diving into the COSMO COS-5MU30 30-inch under cabinet range hood. Let's get right into it. The COSMO COS-5MU30 promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience with its sleek design and powerful performance. Let's break down its key features. First up, the multi-layer mesh filters. These durable aluminum filters efficiently trap grease and oil, ensuring cleaner air in your kitchen. What's great is that they're reusable, saving you money on replacements. Next, let's shed some light on the situation with the built-in LED lights. These provide bright and energy-efficient illumination over your stove, ensuring you can cook with clarity any time of the day or night. Now, let's talk about performance. The COSMO COS-5MU30 features a 3-speed exhaust fan, allowing you to adjust ventilation according to your cooking needs. Whether you're simmering, sautéing, or frying, this range hood has got you covered. And check out the slim profile of this range hood. Perfect for condos and apartments where space is at a premium. Plus, it's convertible to ductless with the optional carbon filter kit, giving you flexibility in installation. To wrap it up, the COSMO COS-5MU30 combines cutting-edge technology with affordability, delivering a range hood that not only looks great but also performs exceptionally well. Say goodbye to cooking odors and hello to a cleaner, brighter kitchen with the COSMO COS-5MU30. That's all for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest kitchen gadgets. Until next time, happy cooking!